Is it time to change your oil on your Can-Am Maverick Trail? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. My name's Kristen, and this is Maintenance Matters. We're going to start by removing the drain plug using a 17mm socket. When you pull out the drain plug, there's going to be a small washer. Make sure that comes off with it because you'll need that to reinstall. There might be metal shavings on the inside here on this magnet. Some is normal. If you have big metal chunks, you'll want to have your engine inspected because there'll be something wrong. Once the oil's done dripping, reinstall your drain plug. Next step, you're going to scoot your driver's seat forward as far as it'll go so you can access the plastic pins on your access panel. Next, you're going to remove your passenger side seat. And remove each pin for the access panel to access your oil filter. Remove your access panel, set that aside. With our access panel removed, now we're going to remove our oil filter cap. It takes an 8mm socket. You want to put a rag underneath the oil filter cap so whenever you pull it out, it can catch all the excess oil that drains out. Pull off your oil cap. Make sure your O-ring's in good shape. If not, get a new one from your Can-Am dealership. Clean everything up pretty good. Set that aside. Have an extra rag ready because there's going to be oil coming out with your filter. Clean up any oil that's spilled out on your engine or into the skid plate. Take a fresh bottle of oil and your new oil filter out. Dab a little bit of oil around the O-ring here. Press your filter back into the engine. Next, we're going to fill it up with oil. Go ahead and remove your dipstick. You can pick up oil at your local dealership. It takes 2.1 quarts. Insert the funnel. Now reinsert the dipstick. Thread it on all the way. Now you'll want to run your machine until it's running temperature before you check your oil levels. Now the machine's warm. Remove the dipstick. Clean it off. Slide it back down in. Thread it all the way in. Pull it back out. Looks like we're good to go. Reinsert the dipstick and tighten down all the way. And clean up any excess oil that you may have spilled. Now you can reinstall the access panel and your seats. And that's how easy it is to change your oil on your Can-Am Maverick Trail. Happy riding!